When it comes to home improvement, replacing doors is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in enhancing a home's aesthetics, functionality, and security. For homeowners in West Jordan, investing in affordable door replacement can offer a wide range of benefits that go beyond just upgrading appearances. From boosting energy efficiency to enhancing curb appeal, here are the top benefits of affordable door replacement for your West Jordan home. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. West Jordan's diverse climate can bring extreme heat in the summer and chilly temperatures in the winter. Your doors play a critical role in maintaining indoor temperatures and keeping energy costs in check. Old or poorly insulated doors can lead to drafts, air leaks, and inefficient heating and cooling systems. Energy-efficient materials. Affordable replacement doors often feature modern materials designed for superior insulation. Options like fiberglass, steel, and insulated wood help prevent heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Reduced energy bills. By reducing drafts and improving insulation, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, which translates to lower utility bills. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Security is a top priority for every homeowner. Outdated doors may have weakened frames, faulty locks, or compromised structural integrity, making them a security risk. Affordable door replacements often come equipped with advanced security features to help protect your family and belongings. Sturdy construction. Modern doors are designed with durability in mind, using reinforced materials that are resistant to forced entry. Upgraded locks and hardware. Affordable replacement doors often come with modern locking mechanisms, multi-point locks, and other security features that offer peace of mind. Increased curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things visitors notice about your home. A worn-out, outdated door can detract from your home's overall appearance and diminish its curb appeal. An affordable door replacement offers an opportunity to update the style, color, and design of your home's entryway. Variety of styles. From sleek, modern designs to traditional wood finishes, there are numerous affordable options to match your home's aesthetic. A new door can instantly elevate the look of your home's exterior, making it more inviting and appealing. Boosts property value. Enhanced curb appeal doesn't just make your home more attractive, it can also increase its resale value. A new door is a cost-effective way to make a great impression on potential buyers. Better functionality and accessibility. Over time, doors may become misaligned, difficult to open or close, or even develop squeaks and other issues. Affordable door replacement ensures that your new doors operate smoothly and provide a hassle-free experience. Improved operation. Replacing a warped, damaged, or poorly functioning door eliminates frustration and enhances everyday convenience. New doors offer smoother hinges, better seals, and overall improved functionality. Enhanced accessibility. If accessibility is a concern, many replacement doors are designed with features like wider frames, smoother thresholds, and user-friendly hardware to accommodate various needs. Noise reduction. Living in West Jordan means you may be exposed to noise from neighbors, traffic, or nearby construction. Affordable replacement doors are designed with noise-reducing insulation and better seals, helping to create a quieter indoor environment. Soundproofing qualities. Insulated and thicker doors block out more sound, creating a peaceful atmosphere inside your home. Increased durability and reduced maintenance. Older doors often require regular maintenance, such as painting, sealing, or repairing worn-out parts. Affordable modern replacement doors, on the other hand, are crafted from durable, low-maintenance materials. Weather-resistant options. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and composite are resistant to warping, cracking, and rotting. This makes them ideal for West Jordan's changing weather conditions. Minimal upkeep. New doors often require little more than routine cleaning, saving you time and money on maintenance. Cost-effective upgrade. Affordable door replacement offers a cost-effective way to make a big impact on your home's appearance, security, and functionality without breaking the bank. You don't need to sacrifice quality for affordability. Many replacement options provide exceptional value at an accessible price point. Make the most of your door replacement. For West Jordan homeowners, affordable door replacement provides a host of benefits, including better energy efficiency, increased security, enhanced curb appeal, and reduced maintenance. Whether you're looking to update your home's style, improve comfort, or boost its value, a new door is a practical investment that pays off in many ways. Explore your options and enjoy the many advantages of an upgraded entryway.